Any of us, or any people listening who are, from the energy healing field, you will know this to be true, right? The whole energy healing field is based on restoring the balance and the flow of energy throughout the body, mind, and soul, or spirit. These techniques work directly with the physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of well-being. Okay, and so we have found that this movement that is created with the HyperBath Pro really contributes to the energy healing. All cells experience a constant in and out of flow of the elements necessary for survival. This includes growth, repair, replication, acquiring nutrients, and expelling waste. Life ceases for a cell or a group of cells without this energy flow. So the microcurrents that are generated by the HyperBath ionic system, it stimulates the cellular energy to get it moving again, allowing the body to reawaken the healing response and restore healthy patterns. So we're really looking now to promote a holistic approach, okay? And to understand how our cells get blocked and why are they functioning poorly? Why are we experiencing poor health? Okay, so the unhealthy patterns develop in the body due to unhealthy foods and environments. I think we all know that. But it's also due to unhealthy thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Our thoughts create emotional responses in the body, but the emotions really are live energy currents that empower or disrupt cellular function. So with our new approach, we want to make sure that we're talking about the HyperBath Pro more than just detox. What we know now from experiences is that it will create a relaxation response in the body, followed by an increase in movement in the energy of the cells and the molecules that affect the body and mind. The microcurrents open your energy system to release blockages, and then it restores the natural, healthy patterns within you.